Washington tomorrow at 3 to cap off its opening weekend. But last night, the Runners kicking things off, hosting a competitive Gonzaga team. The Runners coming off just a 4-win season, but it's a new era under new head coach Gary Curneen, who admits his team has a long way to go. In the 13th minute, the Zags strike first. Torrey Lee on the penalty kick, and Tori Ornella can't save that one. Zags up 1-0 after the first half, but the Roadrunners not down and out. Still plenty of soccer left to play in the second half. 49th minute, Ashley Burrell will finish this one. She goes into the net with it, and that will tie it up at 1. This game goes into double overtime. The Runners were actually 1-1 in double OT last season. 10 seconds left to play. Lee on the corner kick, and Ornella will have a high save right here, but the Zags keep attacking, and it's Cassie Gertz who gets that to go. And the Runners lose a heartbreaker in the final seconds of double overtime, 2-1. But Coach Curneen, proud of the effort put forth in the season opener.
We've got things we need to work on, but in terms of the first, what we wanted out of them in terms of work rate and commitment, yeah, I can't fault them. Absolutely brilliant. But is it good enough to go through a whole season like that? No, we've got to improve on this, and we will improve. We'll get better than this for sure.